Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be taking a quick look, or I don't know about quick yet, but I'm going to be taking a look at Kaisen Linux. It's the distribution for professional IT. So I'm like the farthest thing from this, so I'm probably not qualified to do this, but fuck it, you know. So yeah, it's based on Debian testing. It was started in December of 2019, so it's about a year old now. Also, I'm recording this on Christmas. I don't know if it will be released on Christmas though. So Merry Christmas / Merry Late Christmas. I got a keyboard as my main present. So it's a Durgod Taurus K320, and my mic stand is still broken. So you're going to hear some keyboard clacking throughout the video. Like, listen. So yeah, I apologize for that, but for now it's gonna have to be something you'll have to deal with temporarily. That or just leave the video. I couldn't care either way. Alright. Another cool thing, it's just of French origin. I don't know, I just don't see very many French distros. Why is this watch picture? Hold up. Oh nice, it's a video. Okay. That's giving shit away though, so. It's distribution for IT professional. There's a little spelling error there. Based on Debian. So yeah, complete OS. It has a lot of things. It looks like it also has a good number of Wi-Fi, video, and sound, as well as Bluetooth drivers for those. So, actually, that makes me wonder. So this is a specific Wi-Fi card I used to have until like a few weeks ago that isn't supporting like any distro. I wonder if it's here. It's an RTL 8812AU, but I'm going off on like the second tangent for like this is the whole video. Alright, so the download page looks pretty nice. They have some screenshots. So its main desktop environment is Mate, which I'll be looking at. But in addition, it offers KDE, LXDE, and XFCE. And the latest version is rolling 1.5. Has all the other stuff. It's on DistroWatch too, that's how I found it. So the Mate version is 3.5. So it looks like the lowest one would be 3.4 gigs. They also have a System Rescue one, which is 2 gigs too. So it's going to be a relatively large distro, or at least the ISO file will. It takes like less than 20 gigs of storage to install. But the mirrors, at least for downloading, are pretty fast. I got around 20 megs a second, which is where my new Wi-Fi card caps out. So it downloaded relatively fast. Alright, enough babbling. Let's go ahead and start it. So here's the grub menu. I like the wallpaper, and it like blends pretty well with like the, you know. So yeah, it has 5.9.0 as latest because Debian Bullseye. I don't know, it's never been, you know, the most up-to-date distro, but it's more stable that way, I guess. So here is the boot screen. You also just saw the Plymouth screen, but it's not that spiffy. So we have the background one looks like the moon with a Kaisen Linux flag on it. Oh god. Someone's got that mega bass car out there. I don't know if that's picking up though. This mouse is also like really tiny right here. I don't know why. But yeah, the wallpaper doesn't make much sense either, but it does blend well. Like it's pure black here, and so like it looks. So the panel up here works pretty well. Also, my brother's over there too, so if you hear background noise, some of it's gonna be him. Alright, so I've already went ahead and installed it. It's just like the same normal Debian installer, but like with a black and red theme. It looks pretty nice, and if I remember to edit, I will put up some images of it right now. And so booting in, this is the Mate desktop we have right here. So it came with VirtualBox Guest Editions by default, not only in the live ISO, but like when it's installed too. Speaking of which, in the live ISO, you can't install it. You'll have to reboot into the installer. So it doesn't have anything like Calamara's Ubiquity, none of that. You do like the normal Debian installer. And over here we have a honestly sort of ugly looking conky thing. And it has my public IP, so I better remember to censor that out. Also, for some reason though, like it's not working completely well because I can't scroll over here, though I can still press things. So yeah, it's just like a standard Mate desktop. Over here, for like the apps that are here, we have VS Codium, KeyPass XC, which I actually like the fact that it's here. Adds a little bit more security if you use it. Screenshot tool, that's pretty nice to have. So this is LibreOffice Writer. It's like MS Documents, LibreOffice Calc. I think this would be Excel. I don't know. I don't really use Office suites in general that much. Firefox and a terminal. Another cool thing is it uses ZSH. Pretty sure it already has NeoFetch. ZSH 5.8. It's fairly packing in the packages department. It has 2,909 by default. As I've already stated, 5.9 kernel, all that good stuff. So I've given this 2 cores and 8 gigs of RAM with 3D acceleration, and it's ran very good. Then again, most distros run well on pretty light hardware. I'm not saying this is like what am I saying? Most distros run well on basically any hardware. It just depends on like what you use. And so the next thing, yeah, it uses Terminator, which is really nice. It has its own GTK and the icon theme. I cannot talk today. And so I want to go show you all something real quick. So this might not be the same type of menu you're expecting, because there's user applications here. It has, so I'll go over this stuff first. It has, Vim, all the Mate stuff, like Pluma, calculator, Vim, screenshotter. More Mate stuff here. It comes with GIMP, Image Magic. Oh, it looks like a color. Oh, no, a color picker. I don't know. I still like gpick better, but I think that's a completely different things. So Firefox. Every distro has Firefox. HexChat. I think this is an IRC client, but don't quote me on that. QBitTorrent. It's a torrent client. And Thunderbird. This is a email client. Make sure I'm still recording here. Yes. Oh, holy fuck. It's already been 7 minutes? Okay, I gotta speed this up. So, Kaisen Linux stuff. Administration tools. Just under network, we have all this stuff. It comes with a lot of things. The only thing I know here is aircrack NG with NIW. Like, I don't know this stuff. We have some backup tools, FTP clients, multiple of them for some reason. We have PowerShell here, actually. That's pretty cool. So, yeah. We can go back over there. So, file systems. We have utilities for like managing a lot of file systems. I've never even heard of GlusterFS. Holy crap. Maybe I'm just a Linux newbie still. Maintenance tools. So we have like cloning. Yep, Clonezilla is there. That's what I thought. So, yeah, there are a lot of things. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Rufus logo. That's nice. It comes with Etcher. Holy. That's actually pretty useful. Damn. So yeah, Kaisen has a lot of things. So, oh yeah, MISC tools. We haven't looked at this. Have a lot of things. GTK hash. I've heard of this, but I'm not completely sure what this does. I think it like calculates a ton of hashes for files. Yeah, it looks like. No, I'm thinking of MD5, so never mind. Okay, so services. A lot of things. Oh, nice. So we have guest editions. We can enable and disable them here for VirtualBox and VMware. That's pretty nice to have, especially if you're in a VM like this is. So yeah, Kaisen has a lot of cool things. If you're an IT guy, this is the distro for you. Also, there's a few more things I want to go over. So first, again, this is Terminator. I think I already said that. It's ZSH2. Looks pretty nice because they did some ricing for it already. And so I ran sudo apt upgrade earlier. Let me see if there's still any packages I need to do. And you'll see right now, like, the mirrors for, like, downloading and updating are, like, not that fast. They're pretty slow. And so, yeah, it's something I have to just deal with. Or something you'll have to deal with if you just dipping down to, like, below a megabyte just now. So, yeah, it's painfully slow to install things because of their mirrors. I'm not going to do that now. So, when I need to go look at this for the exact number. So, yeah, when I ran apt upgrade the first time after this, there were 393, I think, packages that needed to be upgraded. Don't quote me on that, but that's just what I remember. Okay. And so, if we... I can just do this. And so it looks like, as you can see, it uses its own mirrors. And so maybe it's just because, like, I'm in Denver, and so download mirrors are fast for me, but updating mirrors are not. And I've never seen this here. It's like a domain extension. I don't know the name of it. So yeah, they have their own mirrors. It's Kaisen rolling and stuff. I don't know if they have a static version. I don't think. But then again, it wouldn't make much sense to put Kaisen rolling. I don't know. So, I think there was one more thing I wanted to go over. No, I can't think of anything else. Oh, I can actually. Wallpapers. So you have this nice default one. Ooh, we have a lot here. So it looks like we have just default Mate wallpapers here, too, with a few Kaisen ones. So this is the one that was on the background, along with one that's just a nice little, like, logo right here, as well as one in red. Wonder if changing the background lets me select there. Nope. Okay. And then this one, oh fuck, sorry, I'm gonna close that. Just Kaisen, but it's here, and a dark one. I think this one looks the best out of all of them so far. Another Kaisen one is the same thing with rearranged stuff. This one looks pretty nice too, actually. Ooh, look at this one. This one looks really nice. Actually, I think these are what are used in the grub menu. Yeah, it is. So yeah, VirtualBox, the guest editions on here aren't 100% perfect because of the small minor issues here. But that can probably be fixed by reinstalling it. Or we can try... Where is it? Oh yeah, services, virtualization, guest disable. Oh, is this using sysvn? No, that's systemd. I'm stupid. And then we can services, virtualization, guest enable again. Okay. Exit both of these. And still no. I don't know. So yeah, this has been a very, very good distro. Like, especially, so if you need all the tools that it provides, it's something you'll definitely want to look into. Like, if you're an IT guy, I'm not, so I won't end up using this, because I'm also not a Debian guy either. Yeah, and supposedly it also has, like, Wi-Fi, drown, did I just say drowned? It has, like, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, and video drivers. I can't think right now, I'm sorry. Yeah, it has a lot of added drivers, supposedly, which makes sense because right here it's like their own kernel. Can't select on there. Well, I can, which is not really visible. So yeah, I think the overall of this distro is it's a very nice IT-oriented distro that brings a lot to the table, and it's something you'd want to look into if you're an IT person. Which I've probably said like 5 times now because my mind is not on track. Alright, thank you for this, like, hopefully small and like 100% unscripted video, and goodbye.